Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am attempting to make this bed from scratch. So stick around if you want to see how I did. My first stop was at the Home Depot. I had them cut my larger wood for me because I don't have a table saw, and it just makes it easier. As usual, if you like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and also turn your notification bell on so you don't miss every time I post a video. I wanted to add some weight to the bottom of the bed, so I ended up just cutting some wood and screwing them onto the base of the headboard. Here, I'm just making holes where the diamonds meet using my Makita drill. This was the most tedious part of building the bed. I had to make the buttons individually, and these took hours, probably an entire day in total to make these buttons, but honestly, it was worth it. I'd made holes in the foam previously, but I thought they weren't going to give off the same effect that I wanted, so I ended up just going in with a larger hole cutter, and it worked perfectly. So I chose a gray velvet fabric to work with, and most of building this bed took place in my garage. So pretty much I had to wear earmuffs because the compressor does get extremely loud, and when I was stapling the threads onto the headboard. told, this took me like probably 5 months because I had school and also I had exams during that time. So as you can see, I was trying to multitask. But to be fair, I would have finished earlier otherwise. I asked my partner to help with keeping this wood sturdy while I stapled down the fabric just so that I could get a straight line. Then I covered the remaining bottom half of the headboard. Finally finished with tufting on the headboard and I began covering the back. I only covered just the top portion just because I wanted it to be easier to transport, like from my garage to my bedroom, and it makes it easier when I'm moving it as well. I was not worried at all about being neat here because this will be facing the back of my wall and no one will be able to see it. Here's a preview of the final product of the headboard, and so I'm moving on with making the sides. Tufting the sides are pretty much similar to how I tufted the headboard. The only difference is you got to see what I did prior to creating those holes. I had so much leftover fabric that I ended up never using, and I didn't want to go out and buy a piece of fabric that would cover the entire siding of the bed. And so what I ended up just doing was using what I have and just adding it on to the end. I kind of feel like this was the most challenging part of the project, trying to piece in this on. The sides were done and I added legs using 2x2s. I went on to connecting them to the headboard and the rest was history. Take a look for yourself. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by, and as usual, I hope you stick around. Yeah, I hope you like the final product like I do. I really outdid myself here, and it was really fun to make this bed. And also, if you want to see the full video of my bedroom renovation video, click the link in the upper right hand corner of your screen, and I'll see you there.